Did you know that you can now mute audio on videos before sending them in WhatsApp chat? Well, this is one of the many cool features that WhatsApp has released this year. We all know WhatsApp is quite regular in updating and launching new features. Last year also we saw a bunch of interesting announcements like WhatsApp payments, dark mode, disappearing messages and a lot more. And even though we are just halfway through 2021, we've already seen a ton of interesting features launching. And if you don't want to miss any of these, then here's a list of all the best ones so you can use WhatsApp like a pro. But before I begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our videos. Also stay with me till the end, as I will also telling you about some upcoming crazy WhatsApp features that might launch in the coming months. So the first one has to be video and voice call support on computer. Earlier WhatsApp didn't allow you to make and receive WhatsApp calls directly on your PC, but now you can attend calls on web without having to reach out for your phone. So if you regularly use WhatsApp on your computer, you can use this feature to call. Now the second best feature launched this year is the ability to mute audios on videos. So if you often record your videos and send it on WhatsApp with bad background noise, then this could be really helpful for you. It is available only on Android devices as of now, but WhatsApp might release it on iPhone in the coming months. WhatsApp has also improved the way sent media is displayed in chats so that you can see larger image and video previews. This feature was initially brought on iPhone and now it has been rolled out on Android devices. It basically gives a better view of all the content shared in chats so that you can see the images and videos while scrolling without opening them. Next up on our list is vaccine stickers. WhatsApp has also announced a new sticker pack with the World Health Organization called Vaccines for All. Now this is not a big update, but it's a fun and creative way to connect and express the relief of getting vaccinated. We can use these stickers on both iPhone and Android devices. Lastly, WhatsApp has introduced carts to make it easier for people to browse a catalog, select multiple products, and send the order as one message to the business. Now, this will make it simpler for WhatsApp business account owners to keep track of orders. So that's pretty much everything that WhatsApp has announced this year. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite WhatsApp feature till now. But there are a ton of other crazy WhatsApp features that are waiting to be launched this year. Rumors are already circulating on the internet and they suggest that we might see multi-device support finally launching this year. Now this will enable you to use one WhatsApp account in different devices at the same time. We may also see Instagram integration with WhatsApp. Now this will enable you to watch Reels directly in the app without having to open Instagram separately. The way you can watch YouTube videos on the app currently. You may also soon be able to buy insurance via WhatsApp. Yes, now this could be one of the biggest WhatsApp upcoming features that we might see launching in the coming weeks. Now these are all rumors and WhatsApp has not confirmed any of these yet. So stay tuned to Gadgets 360 as I will keep updating about all the new WhatsApp features here. Also make sure you hit the like button and share this video with others.